Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Grange CCCU Head Teacher Assembly, the final one of 2021. And we know what we are all about at Grange because Grange is the greatest school in the galaxy. I'm biased, but that is what I believe because at Grange, we have a G for a great caring attitude. We really do care. We have an R for really trying our best. Nobody messes around at Grange. We try our very best. An A for always learning, especially from our mistakes. We're not worried about our mistakes. We're not ashamed of our mistakes. We learn from our mistakes and we grow from our mistakes. You think I've forgotten the N, but I'll come back to it. But G, the second G in Grange, is for going for improvement and progress. Our P, B, our personal best. That's what each of us is striving for. And the E is for our education, which we help to make great choices as we go along in life. And I did not forget the N. The N is for never giving up because we are from Grange and we are CC learners. And we know at our school, best school in the world, we know that the true strength is your character strength. When you are the best you that you can be. And that is when you live your life with confidence. Yeah, let me put it out there for you, and consideration. When you say, I believe in me, I am worthy. And you say, I have consideration for everybody around me. I know that kindness is strength. And I am a kind person who makes the world around me a better place. Yes, some Grange people of power. Just give us hope. Fill us with hope. Fidel, for always being positive and a great smile. Love coming into class and seeing you so happy, enjoying your learning and always being so positive. The Beckham community for being the class, the Grange Christmas Miracle of 2021. I hope you've read the newsletter. If you haven't yet read the newsletter, get on the website and read the newsletter because, children, we had, and adults of Grange, we had a Grange Christmas Miracle. That's just the way it is. And it happened in Beckham class. And here we go. Kira, you were confident and you were considerate. You went on a terribly, terribly scary adventure. You left the safety of your home, but you came home. That is a Grange Christmas Miracle of 2021. You came right back to your classroom where you are safe. And you knew that's where I'm safe. You came back so that everybody could look after you over there. And that's what Grange is all about. You're safe in our school. You're happy in our school. You're learning in our school. And your classroom is like your second home. All the children of Grange giving great Grange CC salute, star sitting and CC walking. And I've got to tell you something. There are some adults of Grange as well who also do the CC salute. And I love that. Even some parents give me the CC salute. I love that. You are all amazing. Well done. Can you believe we're a school of miracles? And our character strength focus today is about respect and appreciation. And respect and appreciation is really, really powerful. That means if somebody's different to me, it's not just like I say, it's okay, you can be different to me. I respect you. I really respect you. I honor you. And I appreciate you. Even though you're different to me, I honor you and I respect you. I appreciate you. Because I know inside myself that I have to grow. It's not about who I am right now. I have to keep on living my best life and getting better and better. And that I can only do if I learn to respect and appreciate others who are different to me. When we do star sitting, we are learning and we are growing. When we do CC walking, we are walking with confidence and consideration, embracing the challenge of life. And we know in Grange, there is no substitute for each of us. Each one of us, including me, we need to live our very best life. Each one of us needs to say, like I'm saying it to myself, Mr. Goebel, I need to live my best life. Each one of you, point to yourself and remember, I need to live my best life because there's no substitute for me. Nobody can do it for me. And this is now the discussion time, the pause, the feedback moment. And this is what I want you to do. I'm working really hard behind the scenes to organize a superhero visit. Now, this superhero visit, it's not somebody who can fly, who wears a cape. It's not somebody who plays in the Premier League football. It's not somebody who's an Olympic gold medalist or world champion. It's actually an ordinary year 4 child. Just like all of you are pupils at Grange, this child is a pupil at another London school. This child was born without sight or hearing, and yet there she is every day going to school just like you, reading and writing and doing maths and learning all the subjects. She is a true superhero, and I'm working on hopefully having a visit from her to our school. And the feedback moment I need, so get out. Ennis, you are amazing. You were one of the first classes to do this. Get out your assembly feedback book. Get your post-it notes out. Let me hear, what questions would you like to ask her? I'm so hoping spring term she's coming, this true superhero, not some superhero from a comic book, not some famous person who's out there being a celebrity, but a true superhero just like you. And if you thought you can't change the world, well, you'll meet this person and you'll see that each of us has the power to change the world, because we can inspire each other. So what questions would you like to ask her? You might want to ask her, what does she like best about school? You might want to ask her, what is her favorite book that she's read? You might want to ask her, what does she think is the kindest thing that anybody can do for anybody else? You might have so many questions that I can't even think of. So I'm just going to ask you all, please get your questions ready, put them in the feedback and get them to me. So pause the video now, get cracking on your questions, because I really need them. I'm sending them to her before she comes on her visit in 2022, which is just around the corner. Well done, everybody. Here are our gold stars of the week. Well, Hasti, you have done brilliantly. Martina, amazing. Afshin, incredible. Zosha, amazing. Talha, amazing. Mustafa S, Misbah, Paris, Lorik, Ananya, Rihan, and Mustafa A. I'm so proud of all you gold stars in the class champions of Mustafa, Misbah, Francesca from Matisse, Dalia from Picasso, Daniel from Picasso, Fatima from Picasso, Arvi from Clee, Matthew from Clee, and Riley from Clee, you class champions. And in year 4, Andrada from Beckham, and Karunian from Beckham, and Hasti from Beckham, and Anna Maria from Ennis, Ramanullah from Ennis, Kali from Ennis, Nala from Holmes, Joseph from Holmes, and Ati from Holmes. Wow. And David from Holmes as well. So brilliant to see you all there. Grange House of Water, 4,364. Grange House of Fire, over 4,000 points. Grange House of Air, over 4,000 points. Grange House of Earth, clean sweep, 4,000 plus points. So that means we all got 16,869 points in this last week, which is absolutely brilliant. Who were the classy classes? Matisse class, over 1,000 points. Beckham class, over 1,000 points. And the classy class superhero round of applause for Ennis class on 1,880 CC points. And what that means is that we had a ridiculously ambitious target. I mean, look at that number on the board, 250,000 points. That is 250,000 class charts points. And we said we were going to try and get that in the autumn term. I mean, my goodness me. But yes, 250,000 points is a lot of points. But if you do some quick mental math, 240,000 plus 16,000, we made it, because we are Grange, best school in the galaxy, never mind the planet. We are powerful, we are kind. At Grange, we are loved. We are Grange, and that has allowed us to make it 250,000 class charts points. And the reindeers came, and the hamsters came, and Kira the hamster went on a massive adventure, and a Christmas miracle happened at Grange, and Kira came back to Beckham class. So let me give you a CC salute as the head teacher of the School of Miracles, of the greatest school in the galaxy. I give myself a confidence boost and say, yes, you are the head teacher of the greatest school in the galaxy. So come on, let's all get brilliant results. Let's all be people of character strength. Let's all be confident, and let's all be considerate. Let's be people who are kind, who know that kindness is strength, who make each other feel safe and happy, and each of us succeed. Look at our beautiful planet. There we go. Confidence and consideration. Let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy the learning ahead. Let's be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential at the greatest school in the galaxy. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.